Use a spoon to roll it around in there.
Hey, but I'm getting so big and so good at this.
Yes, you really are.
But I want a green egg too.
That's kind of a blue color, isn't it?
That's a blue color, and then I'm going to get a green color.
All right.
My favorite is green.
Did I find a green one?
Oh, I'm not so good at this now.
Eva, what color is your egg?
Pink.
Pink.
A pink one.
Yes.
And Jake is, I'm not good at this.
Jake is a blue one.
Now,
Okay.
we're going to...
And Jake, what color is your egg?
Blue.
Blue. Oh, very good.
I'm not so good at this, Nanny Joan. I'm not so good.
All right, then you set it back in the basket. Good. Good. Now let it dry.
I'll do
And
it.
let me take this out for you.
And put it in there
And put it in your basket.
so it can get dry.
Then we trade. You have the pink one, and you have the blue one. And here's another egg for you. You lay it in carefully and push it around.
I want a green one next.
Yeah, I'm making a green one.
For me, I want a green egg for me.
Okay.
Now, if I get yellow and I get green.
Okay.
I want to get yellow.
Eva, what color is your egg?
Pink.
And now, Jake, yours is what color?
Pink.
Oh, very good. This is the day before Easter.
Yeah. Hey, you're messing the table up.
That's all right. We can clean that up.
Yeah, later we can.
Sure. What year is this, by the way?
What here is...
1991.
Okay.
Oh, I messed up the table a little bit.
That's okay.
You can clean it.
No, I like red.
The red is right here. Ooh, is that, did
That's
you get it on your
pink.
fingers?
That's pink.
No, it'll come out red. Did you get some in your mouth?
Oh.
You don't want Mom to have a fit.
You think it's red now?
Yeah, I think it'll work red. Try putting it in and see.
It is red.
I think it's red. It has to push around a little bit though. That's right.
She's changing it in different colors.
How many eggs are there? Eva, what color eggs are in your basket now?
Green, the green, and yeah, the two yellows and blue. Say blue. Yeah. Blue. And pink and two blue.
How about you, Jake? What's in your basket?
Blue and green and yellow and pink.
Aha!
But now I'm getting red.
Oh, good.
Pink always changes into red.
Does it really?
Yeah. No, but I'm gonna use mine. Come on, then with mine.
Okay.
Nanny John, I want another color.
Okay, do you have any more eggs to do? You have one more. One more egg?
Yeah.
Let me help you get that
I
one
want
out.
another way.
There's one more right there for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have
Now
1,
we gotta
2,
move
3,
this
4,
one
5, 6.
away.
Okay, you have 6 eggs.
Now I get orange again.
Okay, there you go.
This will change into our orange a minute.
I think it looks yellow.
Well, it will change into orange, I guess.
Okay. These are pretty. I like yours. Your eggs are very pretty. We just let them dry, and then tomorrow we'll eat some of them. Wouldn't that be something? We'll crack them open and eat them.
Alright.
Do you want to take them in and show them to Mommy? Let's leave them in the basket and we'll carry them in and show Mommy. Okay?
Yeah, just like, I would carry mine in like a rabbit.
Okay.
With,